Introducing the Level 2 Strategy Playbook, a curated collection of high-probability, pre-built strategies designed by professional traders and made simple to understand with clear explainer guides and Level 2's unique visual approach. Let's face it, building a strategy from scratch takes time to backtest, tweak, and still leaves you guessing if you're not sure what to look for. With the Strategy Playbook, just pick a strategy that matches your goals and current market conditions and get started straight away. Just clear logic, actionable data, and dependable results. Want to adjust the time frame or try another asset? No problem. Customize, backtest, and deploy. Or why not pair a playbook strategy with a scanner to get real-time alerts when conditions align? Simply add a scanner block and never miss another high-probability trade. Stop trading on hunches. Start trading with data. Explore the Strategy Playbook today, only on Level 2.